S23 series pre-order gift has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, while we are waiting for the launch of the S23 series next month, Samsung accidentally revealed the Galaxy S23 launch date on its website yesterday. Now, the company official website has also revealed another information surrounding its upcoming high-end phone, and that is regarding the pre-registration offer. Well, basically a new leak has been appeared today which give us a detail about the pre-order specification for the S23 series, and that leak has been coming from a Twitter leaker. According to that leak, the upcoming S23 series pre-registration offer will be a Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which will be given to anyone who pre-registered for the S23 and buy it after the series goes on sale in country. There is a high chance of similar offer going live in other countries. Now basically the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is among the best pair of true wireless earbuds for the Galaxy users, and it usually costs $29 in the US. Since Samsung won't launch newer flagship wireless earbuds until at least later this year, this deal would be excellent for anyone who is looking to pick up the Galaxy S23 series. Samsung could also bring even more pre-order deals once the Galaxy S23 series goes official on February 1st, 2023, depending on the country. The company could offer Galaxy Buds 2, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, or the Galaxy Watch 4 series for free with its upcoming flagship smartphone. So it depends upon the country where these offers are going to be happening. Last year in the US, the pre-registration offer was $200 credit, which you can use with your device, and it will also provide you the pre-order deals for the S23 series. So definitely there is a good chance that you can get actually another good offer, which will be an upgrade in the memory department. Since we know that a 256GB of a storage option will be coming for the S23 series as a base storage, so definitely this means that with the similar pricing, you could actually going to be getting the 512GB of variant with the same pricing of the S23 series. So guys, this would be an exciting deal if Samsung is going to be offering you. And you guys, other specification of the S23 series, it's going to be packing a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is going to be coming in a custom variant, and it will give you 45% of a CPU and GPU improvement and 40% of more power efficiency, which definitely means that you are going to be getting a performance jump in the S23 series. And what is good news is that Samsung S23 series will be coming globally with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The other major upgrade for the S23 series will be a 200 megapixel camera sensor that is going to be coming with 3 different modes: 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 200 megapixel dedicated mode. Also, it will be giving you an option of 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. So definitely a big jump in the camera department is coming. Other camera sensors are going to be pretty much same as the last year S22 Ultra. Now for the selfie camera, we have a downgrade from 40 megapixel to 12 megapixel, but this new 12 megapixel is expected to be coming with a new Pro mode, and it will be much more enhanced as compared to the 40 megapixel sensor. Moving forward, the third good news is that we are actually going to see a base storage upgrade in the S23 series. Basically, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra will be coming with a 256GB of a base storage option, whereas the S23 base storage will be coming with 128GB. Which is not a surprise because the 25 watt of fast charging is coming for the S23 and 45 watt of charging speed is coming for the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra, whereas 200 mAh battery capacity has been increased for both the S23 Plus and the S23 base model, whereas the S23 Ultra is coming with a similar 5000 mAh battery capacity. The LPDDR5X has been coming for the RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage is coming for the storage option. And both of these new technologies in RAM and the storage will definitely boost your performance of the device because they are running much faster as compared to their predecessor, and they are even more power efficient. And you guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about the pre-order deals? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.